Right, so this is West India Quay, looking over to Limehouse there. Just a different angle there. Someone wearing a face nappy. Looks like I got an old World War II bombshell or something. West India Quay. That's a nice old building there. You got a school trip going on to the right. This is the museum for the Docklands anyway. Sainsbury's, John James and Mary Ann Sainsbury, 1844. Can't help but wonder if it's like a long-term plan. Start off with these little markets and then end up where we are today with facial recognition and cashless checkouts and all that. Might be a bit cynical or overthinking, but it makes me wonder. So yeah, it was a small dairy shop in Drury Lane. High quality food, affordable prices. So it started off well. Obviously it just grew and grew. Like JCB for example. City of Ships, Tilbury, 1929. It's the kind of photo I like to take, people just watching the moment. There we go, the modern East End. Yeah, how many languages you got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 languages. And you're expected to keep close-knit communities when you're like that. That's another thing about diversity, isn't it? People don't even speak the same language. Tell us your ideas about the East End. Does it still exist, or where is it? Debatable, isn't it? It's where that acid attack happened the other week, isn't it? Bermondsey. See, I haven't done this since I was a kid. These old magnet trains, used to have one as a kid. Wrong way round. People knew what was coming, didn't they?
It started off.
So initial impressions, Canary Wharf, it's quite peaceful to be fair. It's a bit of an escape from how chaotic the city is. What a shame that is. Had the real potential to be something worthwhile, but because honestly, what the fuck is that? Hopefully the camera's picking up. That's meant to be a head. It's like one of them memes, you know, the NPC meme. I mean, that horrible building behind it. Well, there's your modern artwork anyway. What a grim view that is. Big grey cube on the side. It's quite a nice little addition. I've got these giant plant pots by the side of the river. It's been quite nice in the summer. It's quite a unique little find. Load of sort of greenhouses amongst all the rest of it. Just thinking then, it's almost like a mini Manhattan, all this. That's an island, isn't it? And there's a similarity there, definitely. The financial centre, busy, big glass buildings everywhere. Yeah, just a thought. So the Lime bike on Lime Harbour. Got some foreigners being taught English in there. No doubt, taxpayers' expense.